Think he's got it? I don't see the line moving at all.
He's got it. He's running.
Oh, there it goes.
Big time. It's either a shark or a dolphin or something.
Oh wow, something big old wake.
Something big in there. Could be tarpon. Oh, there's a dolphin. That's what it is. Well, that's bad timing, guys. You didn't need to come out right now.
Just right there in front of us. Look at that wake.
I got one. A trout.
He didn't care.
He didn't see him.
Yeah.
That's a decent little trout.
Not bad.
He was right under the boat here.
Catching fish while porpoises are swimming by.
That's right. Hey, good sign. One thing about those.
Oh! Took my mullet off, yep. Oh, you got a little puffer fish in here.
Oh, really?
It looks just like a little blob of goo.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, yeah. I thought that was some trash in there. I didn't even know that.
Oh, I got a fish.
Ah,
Oh, it's a lady. Oh, it came off.
Could have been a ladyfish. Oh, I just saw something swirl at it.
Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at him. He's running.
Come on, you can't get that. You didn't got to wait on him.
I know it. There's something that just popped him right off the point, too. Yeah, I just put that little mullet on the bottom. Might be a good red.
Where you threw it, I would guess it's a red. But...
Yep. Yes, it's a nice red.
Red. I'm bigger than mine.
He crushed that little mullet.
He's got to be just like 13 to 24 is his lot, so he's right under it. He's
Yeah, it's about 20.
Some people would be excited about that. Hey, we can keep him.
There he is, guys. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. There's that circle hook doing its job. There he goes. Kick off, buddy. There he goes. Just using a little finger mullet here. Circle hook, Carolina rig. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Isn't that right?
Uh-oh, you just got a big shark to grab that. Or it might have been a tarpon, I don't know. I just think he's got it.
Think he's got it? I don't see the line moving
Yeah,
at all.
He's got it. He's running.
Oh, there it goes.
Big time. You don't think he's got it?
Oh, he's got it. It was a shark. Look at that big old swirl.
It was a big one.
I didn't see it moving, and then it started.
Yeah, he had it. He was just kind of sucking on it. Probably swallowing it. Man.
Clean as can be. Look at that shred, though, on that bottom
Yeah.
line part there.
Well, the fin was like about that tall, so you know he was pretty big.
It's a big dude.
That's why he come over and just...
Yeah.
Another big old trout, man.
Really?
Yeah, look at him. That's a big trout.
Oh, it's a monster.
That is a nice trout.
See that one live well out of bait, and gosh, that's a tank.
That's over 2 pounds. Probably 2.5. You need to hook something you can get in the boat.
I know. I've had about 4 bites.
I know. Pretty decent thing too. Look at it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, a nice trout.
Whoa,
Big old trout.
that's a big one.
That's kind of if you want to keep one. That's what you want to keep.
Yep.
17.
17 inches. That's not a bad trout. Oh, there it goes. Every time.
Shark!
Oh, oh, that's a big shark.
Oh, that's not a shark. That looks like a
That's a monster shark.
shark.
That's a huge shark. That's a monster, Dad.
You want chasing?
There's no way we can catch this fish.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
You sure?
Yeah, there he goes.
Was it a shark?
Yeah, absolutely.
Looked like a tarpon there when it jumped.
No.
No.
That was about a 100-pound spinner. There's no way we could have landed that fish on this rod.
Oh, we could. If
You
we could
think?
chase him. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That fish was huge. I never hooked a spinner out here that big.
It was
Or black
big.
tip or whatever it was.
Yeah. Yep, you just cut it.
That was a monster.
Well, that was exciting.
Yeah. Well, the other day when you had told me that a guy had lost his redfish to a shark,
Right.
I knew that there was going to be some of these in here. Those little sharks, they typically don't do that. I'll watch you fight him.
Shaking his head a lot.
Mike got a big red on.
It's possible. Definitely possible.
Probably a big shark, but you might got a big red on.
I'm guessing it's a shark. They make those fast runs.
Yep. Coming back at you.
Yeah.
Let me know if he starts going back toward the back of the boat. Now, I want to see him.
Me too.
See a swirl. I think it's a big red.
red.
I think that's a big old.
It is.
That's a big old red
It is.
on that big mullet.
Full red.
Hold on, let me get the lipper. Oh, we barely got him hooked under the underjaw there.
Yeah, he might just pull off here. There you go. Good deal.
There's a redfish right
That's
there.
what we were looking for.
That's a red right there. Right at 30.
Yeah.
What a fish. All right, let's let him go.
There he goes.
There he goes. Nice.
Oh, no, something big just popped right there.
There he goes.
You got it too.
That's a big shark, isn't
It
it?
is. It's a lot lighter than that redfish.
Or is that a gar?
Gar. Oh,
Is that a gar?
gosh, yes, it is. I thought he looked awful light. They do like cut.
It's been a while since I caught a saltwater gar. Look at that, we actually got him hooked too. That's unbelievable. There we go. All right, chunk him back in.
There he goes.
There he goes.
I'm out of here.
Oh, your bob or something is hitting him.
See that? Something chase my mullet up.
Oh, look at that. I think it's a I think it's a bluefish.
Bluefish. They do fight hard, don't they?
Yeah.
He will not come around that. There you go.
There's a
That's a pretty
bluefish.
good sized bluefish there.
Yeah, we don't catch many too
Around
big.
here, yeah.
There it goes, came off.
Good.
What we got?
Oh,
Woo!
no, but he's come up yet. Come on, let me at least see you before you get off. He ain't coming up at all. He's a shark.
He's a shark.
Shark. Bonnet head shark.
You've also got your needle nose here in the danger zone.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
All right.
Off he goes. No.
No, not the same size.
He just doesn't have any fight in him. It's probably the same fish.
I have to check see if he's got a hole in his jaw.
Yeah, no, because he doesn't have a whole lot of spunk, so.
He does, you're right.
No, like that was where that hook was, wasn't it? On that, right on that little.
Yeah, well, that could be. Could be. You greedy little.
For real though.
I know it. The same spot too. Do you think he just went over and sat and just picked it up?
He was like, man, that hurt, but I'd do it again.
That's right. Actually cut it up for me this time.
Yeah. Watch this, you're gonna catch him again.
That'd be something.
All right, guys, we just got back from a couple of days worth of fishing. It was a hot one. As you can see, we're a bit beat. I don't know about you, but I got some sun. But yeah, we had a good trip actually. We caught redfish, trout, sharks, saw some tarpon, didn't have a chance to catch tarpon. We caught ladyfish, we caught bluefish, we caught a gar.
A big old gar.
So I'd say that was a pretty good trip as far as species go. Just about everything you can catch down here.
Yeah.
But especially during this time of year anyway, during the summer when you got the mullet run going, so there's mullet everywhere. But anyway, it was an awesome trip. Caught the trout on a Academy version of the Voodoo shrimp. It's only about 3 inches, got a brown top to it, kind of a
White bottom.
pasty white bottom to it. Yeah, it was a really, really good shrimp. They're awesome in the water. Highly recommend them. Dad says you can get them at Academy for about $1 a piece cheaper than the actual Voodoo shrimp themselves. So
Right.
saving money is always a cool thing. I'm all about that. But yeah, it was an awesome trip. We used a pretty light tackle for the sharks that we caught. We were using a 5000 series Penn Fierce. Two of those. We had 2 of those out. We were fishing, one with cut bait, one with live bait, seeing what they preferred.
Using mullet.
Yeah. Oh, we actually used cut ladyfish for the ones
the
we
last
caught.
ones,
For
yeah.
the last couple we caught today.
They love the ladyfish.
Oh yeah, the ladyfish have a real oily, bloody texture to them that give off a good smell.
Sharks and redfish can't resist that.
Can't resist that, absolutely. But yeah, we had an awesome time. Some line screaming action, some trout. Got some filleted up a couple trout to bring back home with me, so I'm super excited about that. But my dad here actually just became a captain. He got his captain's license within the past few months. Got everything applied for it, and he's ready to go. So he wants to tell you what his email address is, where you can find him if you're ever interested in coming down to St. Simons and having a good time, whether it's catching fish or just going out in the boat, seeing the wildlife. There's a lot to see here. So, but yeah, what's your email address? It's CaptainEricSneed@gmail.com. Just shoot him an email if you're interested. Man knows how to catch redfish, sharks, tarpon, you name it, anything down here. And
if you just want to go out and take a nature tour, I'd do a lot of that too. Just go out and see the dolphins and the manatees and the birds. We saw bald eagles today, and
that's one of the beautiful things of the coastline here in Georgia is there's so much wildlife, and half of the fun is just going out on the boat and seeing everything. In my opinion.
Right. That's kind of what I'm about, just having fun.
Exactly. So when you got some time in the summer or any time of year you want to come down, just shoot him an email. He'll tell you what's around at the time and see if you guys can work out a trip. But we appreciate you watching. Make sure to like the video if you did. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, a bad day fishing beats a good day anywhere else.
There you go.
And we're signing off. We'll see you guys later.